Welcome back to the channel with yet another interesting video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can convert back to ColorOS if you are not satisfied with converting to global or OxygenOS, so you can convert back to ColorOS. This is the method in this video. Watch till the end. So the method is same for OnePlus A6 and A6T. For OnePlus A6 we are going to download two files from Daniel Springer. One is the super flasher and the second will be OTA file to download. The same goes for A6T. I'll show you for both devices which files you need to download for OnePlus A6 and A6T. To keep updating and get more tech related videos about gaming reviews, phone reviews and these firmware installation videos, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon. And these files will be for the OnePlus A6T. First one will be super flasher and the second one will be OTA file. After downloading both files, we will copy those both files on our PC and we will extract the super flasher WinRAR zip folder. After that, we will enable USB debugging on our device and connect it to PC and enter this command to reboot to bootloader. We can do both ways by reboot to bootloader from firmware flasher or entering the command in CMD. After device enter bootloader mode, we will go to the super flasher folder and run the file super flasher. If it doesn't start flashing, we have to hit enter on a keyboard to start flashing. Sometimes it starts automatically, sometimes it doesn't. So press enter to start the process. It will take almost 10 minutes to complete the process. So after completing 17 super image files from super flasher, device will reboot into fastbootd. After entering fastbootd, we will press English and press any key on the keyboard so the second process will start flashing. So after second process complete, it will ask about Chinese bloatware. I will say why yes, and it will ask if you are converting, so we will say yes again and format our data that is necessary. because we are converting our device. If we are updating, we won't need format device. So after quickly setting up our device, we will go back on to PC and connect our device. Now we will copy the OTA file back to our phone. After copying the file, we will enable developer options on our phone. So we will get local install options in the software update page. As you can see, there is a local install option there. Now we will go to the OTA file where we have pasted on our device in the root of the storage of our phone. Now we need to press install, so installation will start. This process is a must if you want to lock your bootloader, because the bootloader locking might break your device if you don't update once through OTA. So that's why we are updating through OTA. That is a must method for OnePlus A6 and A60. I've seen some cases in which people have bricked their devices without installing OTA and locking their bootloader after converting to ColorOS right away. So we need to avoid that. That's why we are doing ColorOS OTA update before locking our bootloader. After enabling USB debugging on our device again, and we will connect to PC and reboot to bootloader. After device entering into bootloader, we'll enter this command on command prompt to lock our bootloader. After entering the command on a PC, we will get a prompt on our device, and we will hit volume down and press power button to start locking our bootloader. Our device will format again once again, and then our device is ready to go. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you guys can keep updating and get all notifications whenever I upload a new video.